Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These two phones represent the pinnacle of Samsung's innovation in 2024, each catering to different tastes and needs. Let's get started. First up, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Following the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung continues to lead the foldable phone market. One of the most talked about improvements in the Z Fold 6 is the new hinge design, rumored to eliminate the annoying crease in the display. This is a significant step forward in enhancing the user experience. The Z Fold 6 aims to refine foldable technology with a stronger hinge, lighter weight, and a more square shape. On the other hand, we have the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung's flagship phone for 2024. This device is packed with nearly everything you could want in a smartphone. It features 4 rear cameras, a new titanium design, an S Pen stylus, and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy S24 Ultra have very distinct designs. The Z Fold 6 is Samsung's latest foldable phone, focusing on innovation and cutting-edge technology. Weighing just 239 grams, it's surprisingly light for its size. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a sleek titanium body with a mostly flat design that curves slightly at the edges for better grip. It stands out with its built-in S Pen stylus, which is fully integrated and doesn't need to be purchased separately like with many other phones. Additionally, the S24 Ultra is fully waterproof with an IP68 certification, whereas the Z Fold 6 is water-resistant with an IP48 rating, offering less protection against dust. Let's talk about the displays. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a 7.6-inch internal screen that can adjust its refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz, making for a smooth and adaptable viewing experience. Despite the thicker ultra-thin glass, there's still a noticeable crease. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra sports a 6.8-inch screen with exceptional color accuracy and brightness, thanks to Corning's new Gorilla Glass armor, which is scratch-resistant and less reflective. Both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip worldwide. This chip is known for its exceptional performance, especially in graphics, surpassing even Apple's latest offerings. The Z Fold 6 and S24 Ultra both offer options for 12 GB of RAM and storage capacities ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. What's particularly exciting is that both phones will receive software updates for 7 years, ensuring they remain up to date with the latest Android features and security patches well into the 2030s. When it comes to cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 uses the same setup as the Z Fold 4, featuring a 50-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. There might be some software enhancements to improve image quality. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has one of the most advanced camera setups available, including a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x zoom, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. While it lacks a true 10x periscope lens, the 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens still delivers excellent zoom in photos. Battery life is another area where these phones differ. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 4,400 mAh battery, the same as its predecessors, so don't expect a significant improvement of exciting updates with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It features a fresh design, smarter AI capabilities, and the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Based on feedback from the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung has made significant improvements, including an IP48 rating, making it the first foldable phone to be both water and dust resistant. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung S24, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.